Alright, so today what we're going to do is I have this 10 terabyte Parity drive up here, and I'm going to replace it with one of these 18 terabyte drives. And to do that, what we're going to do, because previously I put an 18 terabyte drive in here already for Parity for my array to be protected, and now I'm going to replace this one right up here with the 18 terabyte. So to do that, I'm going to have to stop the array. And then once the array is stopped, then I'm going to come up here and remove that drive. All right, so up here with this Parity, I can set there and do no device. And then it's going to be no device, and it says it's missing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here and then do maintenance mode, and I'm going to hit start where disable the missing disk, and I'm just going to hit start. And what this is going to do, it's going to allow me to remove that disk. So if I hit stop now and then hit proceed, then what's going to happen is we're going to go up here and see it's unassigned, and I can assign it, but it doesn't force me to assign a missing disk in there. So since we're all done here, I'm going to keep it here, and I'm going to run downstairs and again throw this drive in and then kind of see where we go from there.
So I went ahead and rack mounted my system here. So here's that 18 terabyte drive. I'm going to go ahead and just throw it in here. Make sure we're in there really good and solid. And then that's pretty much it.
Alright, so now that we're back, got that drive installed, go down here and we see the old 10 terabyte Parity, we see the 18 terabyte up here. So we just go up here, we'll click this, and I go 18 terabytes, and then that's good. So we just come down here, you'll have that warning that it says everything on this device would be overwritten, which is fine. And then we just go down here and just hit start, and then this is going to start writing to the Parity. All right, so here it is. It's the Parity's in sync, so it's going to start writing to this, and this will turn green when it's done. If we go down here, it's like 1 day, 15 hours, so it's going to take a little bit. I'm going to bring it back up and show you what that looks like when it's complete. All right, so here we are. We're looking up here at our Parity drive. It's green, so now we know that it's protected. And then we over here, it says Party Sync finished, and this is my Parity RAID, so we are good to go. So we can just exit out of that. And down here, that message up here, their Parity disk returned to normal operation. So we should be good to go now. Now we know that our array is fully protected.